Aleko Stoshwine. Oi.
Reggae vibes leader.
I'll see sparkles.
Yeah, see that people tie up. Dream Weekends 2024. Beer boys, beer fun, beer things are right now at the Twisted. What I say Twisted? Bikini, lingerie, pyjama. You know what I say? The girl them all come out, so we're gonna know who design them outfit tonight. Who do them ear, them nails, eyelashes, the blushes. So we're gonna check in with the girl them. So Twisted Dream Weekends 24. The Twisted 2024 Dream Weekend edition. So, tell me about the outfit now.
You know, it's giving and sexy.
Look the people, what's that going on? Yeah, so that outfit over here so now. Yeah, come out now the wide. Whoa, yo, what's that piece of some here? Thank you. Thank you. Ready?
I'll see sparkles.
Yeah, see that people tie up. She want to carry me with her. So where are you guys from? Where are you guys from?
London.
You guys are from London. Big up London in the building, and I mean London over there, them town. Yeah, you hear me talk. So is there anyone that you want to big up or say hi to back home?
Okay. Let's see.
Alright, so you guys full join the rest of the party?
I didn't do it.
And we have 4 more days.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah?
Everybody
Lady in red!
over 24.
Hello.
Just set me up.
Lady in red! No, but you're fabulous.
Everybody over.
Why are you hiding? Look at her.
Yeah.
Look. Ah!
Everybody under 24.
Yeah. So, UK, London.
Yeah.
We're in London.
Brixton, yeah.
She have the Dali effect, you know. You know that PYT pretty.
Dali from Brixton, yeah.
Dali body, look on the body.
Ladies.
She does such a jam in. So tell me about the design. Your design, special.
A 90. Sexy 90 me I wear.
So, you have a girl like she, you can't when you go home.
That's gonna try our best to make sure you get
Waiting for you. Here people say done the Dream Weekend 2024 with the fabulous out there all our vibes. Yeah people, so we are here with these beautiful females and they're gonna tell you where them come from. So where are you from?
We're from Jamaica, we live in the UK.
Born Jamaica, but UK and them. You also?
Born in Jamaica, living in the UK.
I like one in the chat, Patwa. You see me? So how are you guys enjoying Twisted so far?
Oh, it's the most amazing experience ever. How the fuck have I not been here yet?
Ah! So where the cup them there? Where are the cups? Oh, I like a touch one for the camera there. Yeah. I like a touch one. Oi. Right there. So, outfit design.
Where's that?
Outfit design. Where did you?
JD London.
Yeah, hear that shout out. And design, outfit design.
Outfit design, lingerie.
Yeah, people say hear from them, the beautiful, wonderful from over in the UK, coming to London, full up in this year. You see me? So is there anybody that you want to shout out?
My sister Shy. My cousin Ashley. Us three against the fucking world. We in Jamaica right now.
Yeah, hear that people. All right, now this is the place to be. Dream Weekend 2024. Boom.